DavisLeeTV. We're going to take a big view of the Lego machine gun of the rig. Let's start building it, but not the rig, the machine gun. You get a blue piece, then you get this little spring thinks it's a 4. You put it right here at the end. You get an orange 6 piece. You put it on. If you get this piece, you put it on. It's a 4 piece, a flip-flop one, and another flip-flop. Sorry about that. And you get 2 of these light things. They got a hole in the middle. It's a 1 piece. You get these 2 missile thingies. You get the white thing, put the missile thingies, the little things, put the white thing on the little holes on top of the little missile things. Then we're almost done, but it's easy. You get these 2 bottle pieces. You put one on the right and one on the left. And you get these little 2 things, and they're gray. It's like a little thing you put on. Then you put it on over the ball things, and if you mess up, just rebuild it. If you like, you could subscribe or not, but we're not finished. We're almost. The best character I want to put on with this on this rig machine gun is Spider-Man with some red pants only. His cape, no, not his cape, a cape, a red cape, and you just put the Spider-Man on the rig machine gun, and voila, you have it. Subscribe if you want or not. Over and out.